So today, dear students, we are going to study exercise 2.2. It's question number 1, that is, show that 4 root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, it's very easy. Let's start. Let us assume that this 4 root 2 is a rational number. You have to prove that it is an irrational number. Just we are assuming. Let us suppose that. सिर्फ हम समझ मान लेंगे इसको कि that this 4 root 2 is what? It's a rational number. Now you know what is meant by rational number. 4 root rational number, what is the definition of rational number? P by Q, where Q should not be equal to 0, and this P and Q are the co-prime numbers. So in place of P by Q, you can take any alphabet. Here I have taken A by B. So 4 root 2 is equal to A by B, where A and B are what numbers? Co-prime numbers. Now as you can see, this root 2 is an irrational number. Let us keep root 2 on the left side only and transpose this 4 to the right side. You know, when we transpose, this 4 become in the denominator. So what we got? Root 2 is equal to A by 4B after transposition. Okay. Now in this equation, you can see that LHS is an irrational number. Okay. So what we write? That in this equation, LHS or left hand side is an irrational number and right hand side is which number? A by 4B is a rational number. It's a rational number which is what? Which is contradictory. Contradictory means, see, you can see left hand side is irrational number and right hand side is rational number, and it never happens that irrational number is equal to rational number, and we got this step, but it never happens that irrational number is equal to rational number. So in this case we arrived in a contradiction. We arrived at a contradiction point, or we can write which is contradictory. Now as it is a contradictory, so whatever we have assumed in the beginning that 4 root 2 is a rational number, so we are wrong. So here what we write? So 4 root 2 is not a rational number. But it is an irrational number. Okay. So similarly, you can prove, here one more question is there. What is that? That prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Okay. This also you have to prove. So let's see this also. In the same way, let us assume that three plus root 5 is a rational number. Now if it is a rational number, what you have to take, you know, that this 3 plus, let 3 plus root 5 is equal to, suppose I am taking P by Q. Now this root 5 is irrational, I will keep it on left hand side only, and remaining I will transpose. So what you will get? P by Q, this plus 3 become minus 3. So in the same way, in this equation also you can see left hand side is irrational number and right hand side is rational number, and in between there is equal to sign, but it never happens that irrational number is equal to rational number. So again we arrived at a contradiction, and so whatever we have assumed in the beginning that 3 plus root 5 is a rational number, we are wrong. It becomes a irrational number. Okay, so you have to write in this equation, left hand side is an irrational number and right hand side rational number, which is what? Which is contradictory. So 3 plus root 5 is not a rational number, but it is an what? It is an irrational number. Hence proved. I hope you understood how to solve this such type of examples. Okay, now let's continue with question number 4, where question number 4 is what? Write any 3 rational numbers between the 2 numbers given below. Here 4 examples are there. I am going to explain you any one example. Okay. See, question is write any 3 rational numbers between the 2 numbers given below. Here I am taking this example minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. You have to find any 3 rational number between these 2 numbers. Okay. Now you know children, there are infinite rational numbers between any 2 rational number. Infinite means uncountable. Okay. So maybe my answer and your answer may be differ as there is infinite rational numbers. Now here there is one formula method also to find the rational number between any 2 given rational numbers, and that formula is what? A plus B by 2. Now a plus b by 2, this formula you have to use. Means here suppose according to the question, let a is equal to, a is your first number 2.3 and this b is what? Minus 2.33. Okay, a is what? Minus 2.3 you have considered and b is minus 2.33. Now now find the first rational number. We will write the first rational number is what? Your formula is what? A plus b by 2. Okay, so your a, what is your a? Minus 2.3. As here it is plus, you know this sign will not change, so I am direct writing 2.33 divided by 2. Now you simplify. When you add these two, so what you will get? Minus 4.63. 4.63 divided by 2. Now you divide this 4.63 by 2, you will get the answer as minus 2.315. So this is the first rational number between the given 2 rational numbers. Okay. Now let us consider this is the first rational number. Now again you have to take your a and b. So suppose this I am taking as a now. The second number is suppose my a. You can take this also as a, but a and b should not be same. Okay. So now I am taking b as this new rational number which we got, minus 2.315. Understood what I mean to say? This a and b should not be same. Either a different or b different. So this was this new rational number which I got. This I have considered it as b. Someone can use this as a and this as b. So answer will be different, but that's also correct. Okay. Now again the same, a plus b by 2. What is your a? Minus 2.33. Your b is minus 2.315 divided by 2. Now again simplify this. So what you will get? Minus 4.645 divided by 2. And it is also divisible. When you divide it, you will get the answer as minus 2.3225. So this is the first rational number and this is the second rational number. Now in this way you can find the third rational number also. Let me find here. Now let me take a as, this we can take suppose minus 2.315 and your b as, let me take minus 2.3. Okay, in the same way now a plus b by 2. What is your a? This is your a, your b is 2.3 and here 2. Now again you simplify this 2, you have to add this. So See, after adding these two, what you are getting, minus 4.615 divided by 2, and you will divide it. So what you will get, the answer is, when you divide minus 230 minus 2 point, okay, 3075. So in this way, therefore at last what we write, minus 2.315 comma minus 2.3225, and again this third one minus 2.3075 are the three rational numbers between what, minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. Okay, so in this way you can find